In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search for a function in the Google Sheets app, both with the iPhone and Android. Well, I actually have my Google Sheets app open here on the iPhone, and whatever I do right here would be the same process if you were to do it with the Android. So if you want to search for a function here in the Google Sheets app, let's say for my example data right here, I want to insert a function that will get me the total cost right here. Now right away, you will see all those suggestions that are given at the bottom in the formula bar right here. But let's say you're looking for something else. Well, you can definitely do that. So let's say I want to get the total cost of this column right here. Now, once you tap on a cell, it will tell you to enter a text or a formula. What I'm going to do would be to tap on that pen tool to edit my formula right here. And here is our formula bar. Now, next to our formula bar right here would be the formula icon. If I tap on this, here we have the different categories of the different functions that we can use or insert in our spreadsheet. So the recently used one would be the sum right here, where it has that definition. But if that wasn't used, if you just want to know which type of formula you can use to add or get the total of your data, what you can do would be to swipe up and tap on math. If we tap on it, here are the different type of functions that are related to math. And if we keep scrolling up, we will see some right here. So again, we have the name of the function and the definition. If we tap on this icon right here, it will give us more information about that function. We have again the definition, the example, and the actual formula. If you want to insert that function, just tap on Insert Function at the bottom. And there you have it. Again, it will give you a preview of the syntax or the formula. So we can just go ahead and select that. We can select it one by one. Like you can tap on that one, then comma, then the next one. Now this is the longer version. And this can actually just work if you are trying to add up some cells that are not next to each other. But since this data are next to each other, we can just select the entire range like so. There you have it. Then tap on the check mark on the right. And here we have the total cost for our data. Let's just adjust the size of that column. And there we have it. We can put in total right here. Edit our text. There you have it. Put it in bold and align it to the center. And there you have it. That's how you can search and insert a function in the Google Sheets app using your iPhone and Android. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.